Hi guys, good evening everybody. We are group 7. We will do a presentation with topic the types of network connection. First of all, I will introduce our team member in group 7. The first person it's me, Nabila Fatmah, as a moderator. And the second one, there's Mr. Muhammad Awaluddin Musthofa. The next person, Ahmad Iqbal Yuladi Pratama. The next person, Mr. Didit Andika Febriansah. The last member in our group, Mr. Hadrian Irfan Maulana. Okay, before we talk about the types of network connection, I will explain to you about what is networking. Okay. Networking, also known as computer networking, is the practice of transporting and exchanging data between nodes over a shared medium in an information system. Networking comprises not only the design, construction, and use of a network, but also the management, maintenance, and operation of the network infrastructure, software, and policy. Computer networking enable device and endpoint to be connected to each other on a local area network or to a large network, such as the internet or a private wide area network. This is an essential function for service provider, business, and consumers worldwide to share resource, use or our service and communicate. Network facilitates everything from telephone calls to text messaging to streaming video to the Internet of Things. The level of skill required of the level of skill required to operate a network directly correlates to the explicitity of a given network. For example, a large enterprise might have thousands of nodes and rigorous security requirements, such as end-to-end encryption requiring specialist network administrator to oversee the network. And the other end, the spectrum, a layperson may set up and perform basic troubleshooting for a home Wi-Fi network with a short instruction manual. Both example constitute computer networking. There are also different types of network connection that conquer how elements in a network are connected to each other. Topologies are used to connect computer, with a collapsed ring being the most common type due to the Ethernet supporting the Internet. With a collapsed ring being the most common type due to the Ethernet supporting the Internet, local area network, and wide area network. Okay. For the types of network connection itself will be explained by other members. The first type will be explained by Mr. Hadrian Irfan Maulana. Mr. Hadrian Irfan Maulana, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Nabila. Thank you for your presentation. And then next, I introduce star topology. Yes, central node of the connection, a cable to each computer in the network in a star topology. Each computer in the network has an independent network to each center to the network, and one connection breaking one effect to rest of the network. However, one downside is that many cables are required to from this kind of the network. Yes, and then I explained to bus topology. In a bus topology, network connection on cable connectors, the computer, the information for the last node on the network has has to run without a edge connection computer. There is less cabling requirement, but if the cable breaks, the none of the computers can edge the network. And thank you. Next will be continued by Mr. Didit. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. I want to introduce about ring topology. A ring topology is similar to a push topology. It uses a single cable with the end connected to each other. So the signal can circle through the network to find its recipient. The signal will be tried several times to find its destination even when the network is not working properly. A collapsed ring has a central node which is a hub, router, or switch. The device has an internal ring topology and has place for the cable to plug in. Every computer in the network has its own cable to plug into the device. In an office, this probably means having a cable closet where all computers are connected to the closet and the suite. Okay, thank you. The next presentation will be continued with my friend Muhammad Awaluddin. Times is yours.
Okay, thank you to my friend Didit Andika. Okay, next, network protocol. Network protocol are the language that computer device use to communicate. The protocol that computer network support offer another way to define and group them. Network can have more than one protocol and each can support different application. Protocol that are the use include TCP or IP, which is most common on the internal and home network. Thank you. Next presentation to my friend Ahmad Iqbal Yuladi. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks to Mr. Awaluddin Musthofa. And I will explain general information on wired and wireless network. Wired is the distribution of information via wire. Wired use cable as a connecting medium. In short, the equipment can be seen and felt. Therefore, a wire can also be called physical telecommunication. Telecommunication is distributing information from one point to another. Meanwhile, the non-physical one is called wireless. The definition of wireless is the opposite of wired. It cannot be seen, namely through wave. This wireless network is a transmission medium that use radio wave as the transmission medium. Digital data sent via wireless will be modulated in electromagnetic wave. An example of wired is a network of a building or office room. An example of wireless is a Wi-Fi connection. Well, that is for me. I will hand it over to the moderator. Thanks you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Iqbal. So that's the explanation about the types of network connection, and based on this presentation, I can conclude that So, of all types of network connection, each network connection has advantage and disadvantage we can choose according to our needs. Okay, that's all from us. Group 7. See you in the next video. Bye!